हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज मनमीत फ्रॉम इंग्लिश हब और आज हम एक प्री बोर्ड का क्वेश्चन पेपर डीपीएस का सॉल्व कर रहे हैं। इसमें आपको 10 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने हैं। ओके, एनी 10। आपको 12 या 11 ऑप्शंस मिल सकते हैं, so you can just leave. You just have to solve 10. Vultures serve an important role in the ecological cycle as dash. So can you tell me the answer? They eat less, for they process dead bodies of animals, they help to maintain food web, they clean grounds with their big wings. So let's go to the first paragraph. Please read. हम उनको स्कैवेंजर्स बोलते हैं. So what is the reason? इकोलॉजिकल साइकिल कैसे वो मेंटेन करते हैं?
Or they process.
Very easy. They process dead bodies of animals. So you get here the first answer. Now the second one. Choose the option that best captures the central idea of the passage from the quotes. अब ये चार quotes different दिए गए हैं. Okay, and you have to choose the best quote जो सेंट्रल आइडिया बताता है कि इस रीडिंग पैसेज में आपको क्या करना है और क्या मतलब है, मैसेज क्या है. It is not the strongest of the species that surround nor the most intelligent. क्या ये बताना चाहते हैं? Death is nature's way of saying your table is ready. Hunger is the best sauce in the world. Just remember, it is the bird that's supposed to suffer, not the hunter. So what is the central idea of the poem? So बहुत सारे बच्चे हमारे साथ ऑनलाइन ये कर रहे हैं and I want them to tick the answers, or they can just write down in their copies, and end में description box में you'll get the answers, okay, of this reading passage को pause करिए और solve करिए. So what is the correct answer according to the students present here? Which of the following characteristics are apt about the writer in the following context? Meanwhile, there is a dramatic increase in secondary poisoning. Secondary poisoning क्या होता है कि एक बर्ड ने पहले खा लिया और जिन लोगों ने उसको खाया वो भी मर गए. Vultures feed on carcasses laced with poison, dead bodies, intended to kill jackals or other predatory carnivores, or they are poisoned by the leaden animals left behind their hunters. So what do you think about this? ये आपके ऑप्शंस हैं. आपको दो ऑप्शंस चूज करने हैं. क्या ये नेग्लिजेंट और पेशेंट है? क्या ये कंसर्न्ड है? क्या ये वरिड है? क्या ये केयरिंग है? क्या ये इंफॉर्मेटिव है? क्या बताना चाहते हैं राइटर? लेट्स गो टू द रीडिंग पैसेज. हमने यहाँ पे पढ़ लिया कि एक पेन किलर है डिक्लोफेनिक. अगर आप उसको खा रही हैं बर्ड्स तो बहुत मर रही हैं. ठीक है, नाउ रीड दिस. Indians revere their cows, and when a cow showed signs of pain, they treated it with diclofenac. After the animal died, the vultures would eat the corpse. वो उसकी डेड बॉडी खाती है. और हालांकि सबसे अच्छा डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम्स होता है वल्चर का, उसके बावजूद वल्चर्स कैन नॉट डाइजेस्ट द ड्रग. और डिक्लोफेनिक का ड्रग का यूज 2006 में इंडिया ने बैन कर दिया, बट इट इज स्टिल वाइडली यूज्ड. आप कोई भी पेन किलर या कोई दवाई लगाते हो ना, जब आपको हाथ पैर में दर्द होती है तो वहां पे भी पढ़ा करो, यू विल नो. सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक व्हेन यू नो अबाउट दिस? तो आपको क्या ये कंसर्निंग फैक्ट लगता है? उसके साथ आपको क्या लगता है राइटर क्या बताना चाहता है? यस, चूज टू. Do you think it is fifth and fourth, patient, or do you think it is two? आप यहां सबसे पहले ये समझिए कि ये 6 ऑप्शंस हैं आपके पास. दिस 6. ठीक है, और उसमें से उन्होंने आपको चॉइस दी है, आपको ए लगता है, बी लगता है, सी लगता है या डी लगता है। ऑब्वियसली इंफॉर्मेटिव तो लग सकता है हमें, है ना, कंसर्न लग सकता है, कंसर्न एंड वरिड लग सकता है। थिंक यू विल गेट द आंसर्स
2 and
द
5.
description box. Write down in your copy. Which of the following is the most appropriate title? आपसे title पूछा जाएगा for the passage. Mystery of vultures, is it a mystery? Survival of the fittest, साइंस में आप पढ़ते हैं, या bird standards, या the extinct species? When you read the whole passage, what do you think? किस चीज के बारे में है? What is the apt title? The reason behind the vultures dying is, now you know this one when you read the passage
Miss
clearly.
A.
They feed on carcasses laced with poison, actually meant to kill jackals and other predators. They are hunted. They do not get enough to eat, yet they are diseased.
A.
Online students, I will tell you as soon as I will just close this meeting. Don't worry. What does the phrase moved in to take their place mean in the given paragraph? Moved in to take their place. Contributed in the task, helped them, replaced them, या removed them. Let's go back. एक क्वेश्चन आप छोड़ सकते हो, डोंट वरी. एक ऑप्शन तो आपको मिलेगा ही एक्स्ट्रा, डोंट वरी. सो वेयर इज इट? सो इंडिया ने बैन किया 2006 में. The near extinction of vultures has caused the spread of pathogens in the country, as rats and dogs have moved in to take their place. So what do you mean by this? Okay. This would have otherwise been destroyed by the vultures. Vultures need large ranges to scan for food and undisturbed areas to nest. दूर दूर नेस्ट बनाते हैं. They also need an abundance of prey species since they rely more on chance than their own hunting skills to eat. All of these things have been reduced by human activities. Meanwhile, there is a dramatic increase in secondary poisoning. Vultures feed on carcass laced with poison intended to kill jackals actually, or other predatory carnivores, or they are poisoned by the lead in animals left behind by their hunters. आपको एक और आंसर मिल गया. So what does this one mean? Okay, rats and dogs have moved in to take their place. आपको पता है वल्चर एक साइकिल होती है, फूड साइकिल, तो वहां पर उसका रोल अब कोई और ले रहा है, रैट्स एंड डॉग्स कर रहे हैं. सो व्हाट डज दैट मीन? सो कंट्रीब्यूटेड इन द टास्क, हेल्प देम, रिमूव देम और रिप्लेस्ड देम. तो क्या वल्चर्स को रिप्लेस कर दिया गया है? Why are vultures beak considered weak? Vultures की जो बीक होती है उसको considered weak माना जाता है, क्यों? They are of no use. They are meant to scoop and eat flesh only. They are used to kill their prey. None of them. We will go back to read. The author attempts to make the readers dash through this right. ये जो write up है, author क्या करना चाह रहा है? Is he trying to concern, that readers should feel concerned, inspire करना चाह रहा है, उनको aware करना चाह रहा है, या awakened? What's an interesting fact given in the passage about the vultures? Vultures के बारे में हमें एक interesting fact यहाँ पे पता चल रहा है. So what is that fact? They eat corpse. They cannot digest drugs. They have weak beaks or they are enormous. What is the fact? Interesting होना चाहिए. Something, which maybe you didn't know before. Choose the option that correctly states the two meaning of boast. You know one meaning of boast. Okay? Now here you have to choose. Don't tick. ऊपर tick करके खुश नहीं हो जाना है. आपको दो मीनिंग्स है यहाँ पे. Boast means to brag about oneself, to exaggerate, to talk very proudly, या to show off. Is it 1 and 2 according to you? Or do you think 2 and 3? I'm not going to confuse. It's easy, I think it's very easy. Now you have 12 questions. So 2 questions हम छोड़ सकते हैं यहाँ पे. That's good. Select the option that makes the correct use of designated as used in the passage to fill in the blank space. He was dash as prime minister. So is it correct here? Designated as prime minister. Uttarakhand is designated as land of gods. Rita was designated as the chief secretary of a club. Designated as the head boy of the school, performed his duties with near perfection. Yes. So what is the correct use of designated? What is the message conveyed in the last paragraph? Last paragraph में जब बता रहे हैं human activities need to be controlled to provide vultures open spaces to scan for food and nest because they need that, but उनको मिल नहीं रहा है. Vultures are killed by jackals. क्या ये बताया था? या vultures are an extinct species? Vultures are responsible for their own extinction. So let's go back. You can leave 2 questions. मैं जानती हूँ सबसे पहले तो आप लोग यही छोड़ना चाहोगे. Is that true? Quotes. So quotes are really difficult to understand. For that you really need to read. अब आप देखो passage कितना छोटा है. But now you have to infer बेटा. You have to learn to infer. Inference क्या होता है? उसको पढ़ के समझना. Take your time. I'm going to give you 1 minute. Online students can just pause it and then write down the question answers. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye. You will get the answers of this passage in the description box. Have a nice day. Subscribe and share.